mother, and I love her. I love her very much. Ayaw na pahabain to because kung magsasalita ako about my mom, kulang ang isang buong araw. But all I can say is, Mom, thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for raising me. And thank you for just being there every step of the way. When I was up or down, you were there. You loved me unconditionally next to God's love. Thank you, Lord, for giving me